This is the continuation part of lecture number 13. Question number 3. If f of x is equal to two functions are given, x square plus 3 for x is less than or equal to 2 and 5x plus 7 for x is greater than 2. Then find f of 3, f of 2 and f of 0. Now here at a time two functions are given. So according to the given number we will decide which function we are going to consider. Suppose we start with the first one and here we want the value of f of 3. So first we will check whether 3 lies in this inequality or this inequality. Since here we have the value of x less than or equal to 2, means all the values which are less than 2 that we are going to consider here. And here since x is greater than 2, so all those values of x which are greater than 2 that we are going to consider. So since here we have 3, that means obviously that lies here. So we are going to consider this function. So by considering the function 5x plus 7 and replacing x by this 3, we will get 5 into 3 plus 7. So we have 15 plus 7, that is 22. Now second, f of 2. Now here we want the value of x as exactly 2. Now since here we have given x is less than or equal to 2. So this equal sign is here. That means for x is equal to 2 we can consider the first function. So by considering the first function and replacing x by 2, we will get 2 square plus 3. So 4 plus 3, that is equal to 7. Now next we want f of 0. Now 0 is the value less than 2. So here we have x is less than or equal to 2. So we are going to consider this function for 0. So considering this function and replacing x by 0, we will get 0 square plus 3. So 0 plus 3, so answer as 3. Now question number 4. Here we have given f of x is equal to 3 function. 4x minus 2 for x is less than or equal to minus 3. 5 when x is lies between minus 3 to 3. And x square for x is greater than or equal to 3. And we require the value for these sub-questions. Now we consider the first one, f of minus 4. Now here we are going to consider the first function because x is less than or equal to minus 3 and we know when we draw the x-axis, middle value is 0, right hand side numbers are positive and left hand side numbers are negative. But as we go from left to right, the value gets increase. minus 3 से minus 2 बड़ा है, minus 2 से minus 1 बड़ा है, minus 1 से 0 बड़ा है, and so on. But as we go from right to left, the value get decreases. That means we can say that the value of minus 4 is less than minus 3. So here we are going to consider the first function because minus 4 is less than minus 3. Minus 5 is less than minus 4 and so on. So here we are going to replace x by minus 4. So we get 4 into minus 4 minus 2. So minus 16 minus 2. So minus 18. Now for the next, f of minus 3. Now since we require exactly x as minus 3, here we have given x is less than or equal to. Since equal to is given here, we are going to consider this function. So by considering this function and replacing x by minus 3, we will get 4 into minus 3 minus 2. So minus 12 minus 2, answer is minus 14. Now f of 1. Now we know that 1 lies between minus 3 to 3. because if we draw the number line from -3 to 3, then numbers will be -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So 1 lies here in this inequality, and here no x term is present where we can write this 1. The constant number as 5 is given, so that value will be as it is. Now the last one, f of 5. Now since here we have given the condition values of x greater than or equal to 3, means all values which are greater than 3 that we are going to consider here for this function. So obviously for f of 5 we will consider this function as x square. So replacing x by 5 we will get 5 square. So answer as 25. So these are the values for the given ask function. Now in next lecture again we will continue with the same chapter. Thank you students.